If you're looking for a quick DIY gift idea for Thanksgiving or just want to add a personal touch to your greetings, these designs are simple, warm, and perfect for beginners. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you won't miss our next creative tutorial. Here's what I'll be using today. Bloom by Craftamo Wedge brushes. They're designed to make petal and leaf shapes effortless. Watercolor paints in warm tones like orange, sienna, gold, and brown. 300 GSM watercolor paper, cut or folded into card sizes. Emily Fave X Craftamo fine liner pens for writing and lettering. Let's start with a simple floral card. Using your wedge brush, press and drag to form petal shapes. Then, use the tip of the brush for stems and smaller details. Keep the composition loose and organic. You can paint along one edge of the card or around the corners. Next, let's paint an easy leaf pattern. This one's great for beginners. Use your wedge brush to create different leaf shapes by pressing and lifting. Scatter them diagonally or in clusters so it feels like they're gently falling. Try overlapping colors like gold over brown, red over orange to give that layered autumn look. For our last design, we'll paint a cozy pumpkin. Start with a light orange base. Then, use curved strokes to form each pumpkin section. Add darker orange or brown along the edges for shadows. Use the edge of your brush to paint a short, curved stem on the top. And that's it! 3 easy autumn cards painted with the Bloom by Craftamo Wedge brushes. These cards make perfect Thanksgiving notes, small gifts, or even table decor for your dinner setup. Thank you for watching, and as always, let your creativity run wild.